All right. I'm dealing with this big chop, and I want to try it. Wait a minute. Okay, I was still running this thing here. I don't know if you should do this, but I will do it. Yep. Should, coulda, woulda, not garlic salt. I'm using very little things, very few, so we don't use too much. Less is probably more. This is not marinated, nope, because I think it's fun when it hits one side. It is fun for the bite. This is what I'm working with today. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You see, you know? Absolutely. This is my pan. Just throw them in there. There is no coordination over there. Guess what is missing? Guess what? I hope Alrighty, alright. That's probably enough. Let's go. My preheated oven going in. I'll bake and then I'll broil. I guess broil. Update. Yeah, it is going. Yeah, it is. Yo, look at that. It looks ready. I'm not very strong in the left. I'll give it a few minutes. And see how it goes. Oh, yeah. Okay, give it a little more time. All right, this is it, guys. This is it. Doesn't get better than that. Guess what we are doing with this? Guess what? I'll show you. This is what I'm doing. I made my bread. I put some of that liquid gold. It has butter. I preheat my bread stuff maker. Don't mind about this. I cook. Put this in. Burn it up. Got some cheese. Got my protein. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do is cut one of these and make a sandwich. Ba-bam, 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 ba-bam. It has a bone. They do all have a bone. However, I can still do this. Maybe leave the bone in. What do you think? That would be nice. It is thick. Let me see what I can do. That is what we are remaining with after moving this guy. I'm gonna move my bread. And then we assemble. Let's go. Look at that liquid gold. I'll get one of these. I prefer the thicker. What do you think? Are you indulging? Okay. Alrighty. There we go. What's missing? I'll see. I'll put this in my fry and fry it up. I'm sure it is ready. Nope. One more minute. Meanwhile, let's eat this bone. Are there any pork burgers out there? They must be fire. This will be eaten by itself. Your well done pork. Fire. Anywho, we got something in here. Ready. Why is it not breaking up? I don't know. It's giving big back. I'll get my mustard. Yep. The right amount. I'm using tartar. I don't know why. Because I'm out of ranch. Yep. And there, my friend, is our golden pork sandwich. Man. Gonna bow into it. Anyway, we're going in. Perfect. Yummy. Bon appetit.